everyone, I am Saijit and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I to unbox the Realme Buds 2 Neo. Yes friends, finally I did order the Realme Buds 2 Neo. I did order from the Realme website, not from the Flipkart, because I did first order from the Flipkart, but actually the order was completely delayed. I did not get even the product for the I think 5 to 6 days. So then I cancelled it and then I ordered from the Realme website, and from the Realme website I think I got within 3 days. Yeah, that's very fast. This is my first time using the Realme website officially. I did not order any kind of products from the Realme. Let's see friends what is the unboxing experience. And I do have the other kind of earphones with me, which is a Redmi earphones, and even I do have the IQ earphones as well. I'll be able to compare with the Realme Buds 2 Neo how the quality is. That is what I'm going to compare in my channel. So make sure to stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries regarding the Realme Buds 2 Neo, let me know in the comment section below friends. I'll definitely do my research about this one, and along with that I did order the Realme gaming fingers as well. So these are Realme gaming fingers, so I thought of using the gaming fingers during the time of game demonstration. That will be really good. That is the reason I thought of ordering that one. And here we do have the Realme Buds 2 Neo finally. It's a completely really small package. I think same kind of package but not much, but completely yellow. And if I put on the chart it is like background is completely yellow, and even this one is completely yellow. Let's see friends what are the things will be there. Absolutely there you won't get anything extra, no charging cable, nothing, because these are wired headphones. So anyway, you're gonna get only the earphones, and you'll be getting the normal buds. That's it, caps. So this is a very basic unboxing test which I thought of doing and explaining you that I did get my Realme Buds 2 Neo, and definitely I'll try to use this kind of Realme Buds 2 Neo for the next couple of days, and I'll be back with the review. So is it worth of buying this Realme Buds 2 Neo at this moment or not? I did see a couple of another negative reviews about this Realme Buds 2 Neo. I'm not sure how true it is, but definitely I'll try to check the testing of this Realme Buds 2 Neo for the next couple of days. And the Realme Buds 2 Neo has got the 11.2 dynamic drivers. As you can see, that's the dynamic drivers they did mention. An excellent bass performance as well, and dongle free cable. Yes, I can actually feel the dongle free cable. I did like this kind of cable, so especially that is the one thing which I thought of mentioning. So I'll try to do my in-depth research on this Realme Buds 2 Neo friends for the next couple of days. In case if you have any other queries, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to use this Realme Buds 2 Neo with the Realme X1 Max, and I'll try to do the gaming test as well very soon. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos, and let me even unbox these fingers as well. Why we should leave these fingers? Let me try to do it. So today is the day I did get the 67 watt charger from the MI as well. 67 watt, yes friends, finally 67. That's going to be really epic. So I'll definitely do a lot of videos on the 67 watts very soon. And these are the fingers, these are how it looks, and this is my first time ordering these fingers as well. So a lot of users did ask me, can you please do the gaming reviews using the fingers? That will be really good for us to see. So that is the reason I thought of ordering the Realme fingers. So I think it's kind of fitting for me, no problem. It should not be that one kind of issue. So right now I'm trying to be kind of practicing the game mode. So before I never practiced the games, playing the games in my channel. So right now I need to concentrate more on the gaming. That is what a lot of users they requested me. Can you please do the gaming reviews? That is the reason. So let me try to keep even this one, and I'll be stopping this video. So in case if you have any other queries on the Realme Buds Neo 2, so make sure to let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely able to make a video or help you out and solve your queries. And thank you friends for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. And this is how it looks friends. Finally, it's kind of really good to have. I'll try to make a video doing the gaming test in the Realme X1 Max. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.